Fitness trackers are like an electronic watchdog for your health, putting a finger on your pulse, constantly measuring your vitals, checking your quality of sleep, counting your steps, and even more. But with so many different options out there, it's not always easy to figure out which is best. In this video, we're breaking down the best 5 fitness trackers on the market this year based on price, performance, features, and situations they'll be used in. We'll be taking a look at fitness trackers in every price range, so whether you're looking for a no-frills budget tracker or one with all the bells and whistles, we'll have an option for you. So if you're interested in finding out which fitness tracker will be best for you, stay tuned. As always, all the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. So for the most up-to-date information, along with updated prices, be sure to check out the description. Products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. The first product we're looking at is the Yamay Smartwatch, our choice for best budget fitness tracker. If you're looking for a fitness tracker but don't want to spend the big bucks, then at under $55, the Yamay Smartwatch is one of the best feature-packed budget options you can find. This smartwatch is perfect for both men and women, and features a 1.65 by 1.42 inch color touchscreen and automatic brightness adjustment. You'll get notified when you get calls, messages, and calendar alerts. You can also read text directly on the watch, but you'll need to pull out your smartphone to reply. The fitness tracker on this smartwatch will log the number of steps you've taken, calories burned, exercise duration, distance traveled, and has an all-day option to track your heart rate. Plus you get 9 sport modes: walking, running, hiking, cycling, treadmill, fitness, mountaineering, spinning, and yoga. One of the main standout features on this smartwatch is its heart rate monitor. Your heartbeat provides a lot of information about your general health. The more variation that there is in your heart rate shows greater strength and resilience. At this price point, another huge bonus is its blood pressure and blood oxygen monitoring, plus sleep tracking. Wear the watch to bed and let it analyze your sleep. It'll give you a summary of your sleep cycles, total sleep time, and wake time, so you can see it broken down into periods of light sleep, deep sleep, and wake time that will help you better understand your sleep cycle, and let you make adjustments for a healthier lifestyle. This smartwatch charges up full in about 2 hours, and gives you around 10 days of use, and around 30 days of standby time per charge. It's rated IP68, so you can wear it when you're washing your hands, running in the rain, and you can even wear it swimming. The Yamay Smartwatch is a great choice for budget-minded fitness enthusiasts and a great entry point into fitness tracking. The next product we're looking at is the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2, our choice for best fitness tracker for Android users. If you are an Android user and looking for a top-notch, well-rounded fitness tracker that is not only feature-rich and connects seamlessly to your favorite apps, but is also attractive to wear, then priced under $270, the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2 may be the fitness tracker for you. This beautiful smartwatch comes in 2 sizes, a 40mm and a 44mm case, and has the look of a sleek traditional round-faced timepiece. The 20mm silicone band is slim and comfortable on the wrist and is interchangeable, so you can easily swap it out to match your style. The overall effect is stylish and elegant. In fact, the Active 2 is subtle enough that you may even be tempted to wear it on fancy occasions. As a fitness tracker, the Galaxy Watch Active 2 lets you choose from 7 programs for improving endurance or boosting speed. It offers insights on everything from your running style to your heart rate, and also tracks your sleep by breaking down your night into light, REM, and deep sleep. The Active 2 uses audio cues through the watch's speaker, or you can have it paired to your Bluetooth headphones. Plus, it works great with Bixby voice functionality. You can tell it to read your texts, make a call, or play from your Spotify playlist. Strava and Under Armour's suite of health and fitness apps, including Map My Run, MyFitnessPal, and Endomondo, are also included. A typical charge can give you about 2.5 days of battery life, and if you're already in the Samsung ecosystem, you can get a quick boost from your compatible Samsung Qi PowerShare devices. The Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2 has good battery life, functional FDA-cleared health features, big-name apps, and Fitbit-level sleep tracking, all rolled into a subtle, sleek traditional watch design. If you're looking for an elegant, top-of-the-line Android fitness tracker, this is one that's worth the investment. Our third product today is the Fitbit Versa 2, our choice for best fitness tracker smartwatch hybrid. With its newest wearable, Fitbit releases what proves to be one of the best fitness tracker smartwatch hybrids on the market that is quite reasonably priced at about $200. At first glance, the new fitness watch does look strikingly similar to its predecessor, but closer inspection reveals a few small tweaks, giving the Versa 2 a very stylish look, and with a screen size of 40mm, it should fit most wrists. For the display, you can choose the Always On feature or stick with the default Raise Your Arm to Display. Although convenient, keep in mind that the Always On feature will cut battery life by about half. While you can start an exercise routine by selecting an option from the exercise app on the watch specifically, the Versa 2 can also record activities automatically. Customize the workout screen to have the metrics you want to see displayed front and center, such as heart rate, steps, calories burned, or floors climbed, for example. However, the lack of a GPS chip means you'll need to carry your phone with you. If you are looking for a fitness tracker with GPS capabilities, check out the Garmin Vívoactive 4 coming up next. While most fitness trackers have a sleep tracking function, the Versa 2 excels at it. You can see how long you're awake, your light and deep sleep durations, restlessness and REM, break down your heart rate, and it gives you a comparison of 30 days worth of data if you wanted to see if your sleep pattern has improved or not over time. The Versa 2 isn't looking to replace your smartphone, but it will add some useful features to it. If you're in the market for a reasonably priced smartwatch fitness tracker hybrid, then the Versa 2 is one of the best choices you can make. Its design and display make the Versa 2 look like a premium wearable, while its price combined with its range of functions makes it a great value for the money. If you're interested in updated pricing on any of the items mentioned in this video, be sure to check out the links below. Prices update on these products almost daily with sales and general price drop, so if you want to find the most updated information, check the description. If you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving this video a like and tell us which product caught your eyes in the comments below. The next product we'll look at is the Garmin Vívoactive 4, our choice for best sports swim active fitness tracker. Whether it be indoors, outdoors, on land, or in the water, at under $300, the Garmin Vívoactive 4 can keep up with you and includes almost every feature you could want from a fitness tracker. The Garmin Vívoactive 4 is geared for the active fitness enthusiast. It has music, GPS, heart rate, fitness tracking, as well as many preloaded features. You can choose from 20 preloaded exercises at the press of a button, including yoga, Pilates, cardio, and strength training exercises. Its guided animations for activities will prove to be much more helpful than the stick figures you normally find on a smartwatch exercise app. When it comes to tracking outdoor running and biking, the Vívoactive 4 quickly locks onto a GPS signal so you can get going right away, and afterwards, it gives you a map with your route plotted. This feature is especially useful if you are race training or following coached running plans. For health and sleep tracking, the Vívoactive 4 adds respiration and pulse oximeter for monitoring blood oxygen saturation levels and offers a higher level of detail in your sleep log, such as conditions that may indicate sleep apnea or other serious health conditions. But always be safe and consult with your physician if you have any health concerns. Garmin has always prioritized battery life more than other smartwatch makers, and the Vívoactive 4 continues in that tradition. Under average use, you can get about 4 days with music playback and GPS activated during exercise, and it can last up to 7 days in smartwatch mode only. Garmin continues to improve on what it does best, which is to track fitness. It may not offer a highly intuitive integration to your smartphone, but it's more advanced than most watches at tracking workouts. If you are a sports or fitness enthusiast and fitness tracking is your highest priority, then the Vívoactive 4 can't be beat as one of the best sports and swim active fitness trackers and is a standout option for you. The final product we're looking at today is the Fitbit Charge 3, our choice for best value for dollar fitness tracker. A swim-proof design, improved touchscreen, and potential for deeper sleep insights make the Fitbit Charge 3 the best value for dollar fitness tracker you can get, and it will only set you back about $125. The Charge 3 gives you a larger screen, in fact, 30% larger than older models. The goal here is to put more information on your wrist. Now you can read entire messages and notifications without having to follow side-scrolling text, and view more than one app on the screen at the same time. But more importantly, the display is now fully touchscreen. You can simply swipe up on the home screen to view all metrics and quickly scroll through them. The Charge 3 can also withstand water submersion, so swimmers can track their laps by activating the swim workout. On your wrist, you'll be able to see time elapsed and calories burned, and then view full workout stats when you sync the Charge 3 to the Fitbit app. This is a big deal for swimmers who don't have the means to splurge on a pricier waterproof swim tracker like the Garmin Vívoactive 4. The sleep tracking functions include a sensor for measuring blood oxygenation levels. With that information, Fitbit can tell if you experience breathing disruptions while you sleep. The Charge 3's in-depth sleep analysis, in time, could give life-changing health information. The potential is huge. The Charge 3 pulls ahead of the competition in battery life, delivering up to a week of fitness tracking and notifications on a single charge. Extended battery life alone is a great reason to pick it up. The Charge 3 doesn't blaze any trails, at least not yet, and it certainly isn't the perfect fitness tracker. But the Charge 3 is one step closer and without doubt one of the best value for dollar fitness trackers you can buy at this price point. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now, so if you want to stay current regarding the best gear, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you all have a great day and we'll see you back here soon for the next video.